Welcome again. You know me always look up on the internet, always listen song and them stuff there. But this time the listen chronicler still a bleed. I'm more to tell us say, we dig the melody, we dig the chord progression and so forth like that. So what we are gonna do now is jump in a FL studio and show you the breakdown. The instrumental we sound similar to it because I don't want to make it close to it as possible because last time I think copyright claim up on the Skillibeng one, and after that, we tell you, we have to laugh because it's a remade instrumental that I saw the claim from. I mean, come on, what the hell? That just road, you see me? And a remake Riddim and copyright claim will come for that. But anyways, it is what it is. But we're gonna knock out the beat certain way, and we're not gonna put certain things to certain things, but we're gonna use some stuff to kind of replace certain things, so you get the whole gist, the whole idea, and so forth like that. Yeah. So we just jump in a FL Studio now and make you see what go on. Now we're back in FL Studio. So without further ado, please do subscribe, hit the bell notification button, select all notification, smash that like button, and comment below if you like the content thus far. Anyways, first for this one, I use Keyscape for like the main chord progression of this particular song, and the song is 102 BPM. It's in A sharp minor. This is the chord progression that I think I heard back, so we just go play it. Now, the reason why I spread the notes out like this is to get it larger than life with more voicing. Because the more voicing in piano making like these, it is really incredible to get that grand piano sound. For the next chord progression, I use dark grand piano, and I pretty much copy the notes as is and paste it. And I also use dark grand piano for the top melody that I hear in the first part of the song. So this is what they sound like together. For the counter melody, I choose classic piano in Nexus 3. I think I heard the counter melodies on higher notes, so I practically try to mimic that away, so it sounds similar but not exact. It is very spacious now, but in context it does make sense. For the bass for this particular song I didn't think I heard an 808 or a regular bass. It's more like a live bass. To get a bass similar to that, I use Trillio the AC bass guitar to get that bass sound. It has a certain groove to it, so I try to mimic the groove as best I possibly can. And I have a bass guitar, but I definitely can't play bass. Now the bass is played in a melodic way. It doesn't play like regular sub bass like you would use. It is played as a fingered styled bass. So I try to replicate that somewhat to what I've heard in the song itself. So this is what it sounds like in this section. I added some soft kick, snares, I added two different hi-hats sounding two different ways. Hi-hat 1, hi-hat 2, some percussions, a cymbal, and some vocal chops from Arcade. This particular one is called Dynamic Ooze. In context, this is what the song sounds like. Yeah, so me done with the beat, you know. So if you like it, please do leave some comments, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you again in another video. It's your boy Eldoh Rado. Peace out.